sis, welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Rosehair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, y'all, so again, this unit was sent to me from Rosehair, and when their package came, it came in this cute package right here. Like, y'all, look at this packaging. This packaging is really nice. So inside of here we have a bag, and inside of this bag we have a edge brush. We have some lashes. We have a little pin, hairpin. I don't know what this is. Oh, girl, this is so cute. The little razor blade to cut the wig. Girl, I needed these. And some tweezers. I slick needed these. Okay, so that's what's in the bag. Everything to, like, you know, help you do this unit. As well as a rat tooth comb. Y'all, this is all the stuff that I needed. But anyways, and a wig cap. And it also comes with like a little, I want to say it's kind of like a book, stock card, whatever. And it just shows you everything that they sell. So yeah, you guys, that is what came inside of the box next to the unit that I have right here. So I already bleached the knots and whatnot as to why it's out, and I plucked the unit as well. So yeah, you guys, this is their 13x4 20-inch straight Brazilian wave unit. So yeah, you guys, it looks really nice. Right off the back, y'all, this lace is really soft. Like, I really like that this lace is really soft. So this is what we're looking like. And by the way, it came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do much plucking at all. So yeah, and I wasn't going for a drastic look anyhow. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. This is what the inside is looking like as well. It does have a comb on either side, a comb in the middle, and a comb at the bottom, as well as adjustable straps. Right? Yeah. Okay. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it does have the little straps at the bottom to where you can adjust it to tighten it or whatever. Girl, I had to make sure. But yeah, you guys, this is the unit, and so far, again, y'all, it looks really nice. The ends are looking nice and healthy. The hair is feeling very silky and smooth. And yeah, no tangling. So yeah, you guys, we're going to go ahead and put her on. So today I'll be starting off by plucking the unit. The unit doesn't need that much plucking because it already came pre-plucked. I just want to do a little bit more plucking, nothing dramatic, and yeah. So I'm just using my hot comb to flatten the hair and just to be able to see it better. And then I'm going to start plucking. I'm going to really speed through this part very quickly and only show just a little bit of it because I think we all kind of know how to pluck. But yeah. I slick forgot to put my powder on my wig before I put it on. As you guys can see, I literally just threw this wig on. So yeah, put some powder on before you do this part. I mean, you don't have to, but it will look a whole lot better if you do. Back to normal. I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray to hold down my wig, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to seal in the spray. to go in with the powder I should have used in the beginning, and I'm gonna go in now and just go all along the hairline, adding the powder to the lace. And then after I add the powder to the lace, I'm then gonna go in with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm gonna use that and spray that all along the hairline, and this just gives it a better melt. So yeah, you guys. So now you guys, I'm just playing around with the wig and showing you guys the parting space. So I'll be styling this unit with a middle part, and after I complete the part, I'm then going to use my hot comb to flatten out the part in the hair, and then I'm going to use it as well to style the front of my hair. So for my baby hair, I'm just first using my rat tooth comb to pull out the hair that I want to be used as my baby hair. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and kind of just flatten that hair out so that it can lay down. And then after I do that, I'm going to cut and trim and use my Lotta Body mousse to slick back my baby hairs. Now I'm just kind of re-flattening the front of my hair because I want it to be as slick and sleek as possible. And then after I get it to my liking, I'm then going to start flat ironing my hair. now I'm going back in with that same powder, and I'm just adding that to the lace where you can see like the difference of color. So yeah, you guys. Okay sis, so here is what we are looking like, and y'all, when I say this hair is so pretty, like I know I say that all the time and I really truly mean it, but y'all, this hair is so pretty as you guys can see. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back and we can get into it. So that was the back, you guys. So getting into the details of this hair, okay, so getting into the details of this hair, you guys, first and foremost, this is a big head friendly unit. It fit on my head perfectly, and you guys already know your girl has a big head. Second, the texture of this hair, y'all, when I say this hair is so slick and smooth. Now mind you, off camera I did put some oil sheen on this hair. I just sprayed some oil sheen in my hands and rubbed it throughout the hair just to give it like a slick look and to tame some of the flyaways. And y'all, when I say the hair was already like silky, straight and smooth, and you can run your fingers through it, but when I say when I sprayed that oil sheen on, it like made it to a whole nother level. Like this hair is silky, it's smooth, you can run your fingers through it. Like it just gave it like a real sleek look. But I mean, besides the oil sheen, it already had a nice look and feel to it anyway. But y'all, this hair is very silky, sleek, smooth. You can run your fingers through it. Again, like I said, the ends of the hair is good. And it actually looks like this hair is longer than 20 inches. I don't know if it's because it's a straight hair unit that I feel like it's a longer length. But y'all, when I say this hair feels like it's maybe 24 inches, like it real deal feels like 24 inches. So I'm not mad at it at all. As well, I think the lace of this unit melted very nicely. As I said in the beginning, the lace was very soft, and I don't know what it is about soft lace, but I think it just melts perfectly. As you guys can see, it looks really nice and natural. Again, I forgot to put my powder on before I put it on my head, and it probably would have melted even nicer if I would have did that in the beginning, but I didn't. So yeah, I think for the most part it looks very nice for me missing one of the steps. And yeah, you guys, overall I really like this hair. I will have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to get your hands on it. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.